Hi, thanks for visiting my website and taking a look at the demo products that are available for the digital office. Several are templates, and we do actually have a Google site that you can have all of your templates in and have a homepage. It's a private website just for you. This first thing that we're looking at is a mileage template. This is a log and you just log your information in it. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from a tablet or a computer. This actually will track the mileage for only business miles. It will give you, you have the option of putting all your miles in there, but when it comes to the calculation, it will only calculate business miles. You see on the right hand side here where it says starting 13,579 miles. That is the starting mileage of my vehicle at January 1st. And then the ending mileage will be put in December 31st. It will, you can keep track of business, personal, and commute miles, and you will only see amounts down there for actual business miles because that's the only thing that you can deduct. Next, we're going to move on to the Google form, and this is for web name, usernames, and passwords to keep track of those. You'll see that's broken down into categories: banks, email accounts, government, lenders, escrow, signing services, whatever it might be. Membership subscriptions, that could be Notary Cafe, NNA, your Office 365 subscription, anything like that. Also, RON platforms. Notarize, you can put in any of the companies, you enter the company's name. These are just some examples. Also signing platforms like SnapDocs and what have you. Also Dropbox, iCloud, SugarSync, any of the various online storage places. Now we're going to go up to the responses, and you're going to see the responses, percentage categories of how many, what percentage takes up the space in your actual log. It gives you the names of the companies. It will list the website links and username responses, how many times you use a certain name or password. Password clues, you could say favorite food is pizza or mother's maiden name, whatever it might be. Give yourself clues so that if you feel like you're getting locked out, you can refer to the clues on the spreadsheet that is attached to this. Now we are going to go to the spreadsheet and we're going to take a look. You see everything is timestamped when you entered it, the category that it was done under. If you go to the top of that column B, and you can drag down and you can sort the sheet from A to Z. You see I have one bank entry, one email address, two membership subscriptions have gone on there. So it's broken down into categories nicely. It gives you the name of the account, whatever the website is, so you can actually click on these links and go to the actual website. So if you're on your computer especially, this is nice to be able to go to that. The next thing we're going to go to is this is the log. Oh, I have this done twice. Sorry about that, guys. And we're going to go to the calendar template. And with this, you can create a listing of dates that you need to keep in mind. Their expiration dates and renewal dates for credit cards and insurance companies. Um, that again is broken down in categories. Here is a sample of the information that was put into that form and is printed out or logged onto the actual spreadsheet that's connected. It gives you the name of the company, what it was for, whether it was a notary listing, a credit or a debit card, uh, the coverage date. Okay, the American Express is going to expire in 2024. Um, their method of payment. That is, if I attach a credit card or a bank account to something, and that would be particularly for a membership or a service contract, and that will auto pay and keeps you aware of when that auto payment is going to occur, and also by providing the last four digits of that card number, you'll know when that card is expiring and if you need to replace that card number for an auto renewal to take place. All right. And then here is the site. This is the demo site for the digital office. On the front page, I do like to keep my year-to-date income and break it down for general notary work, the loan signings, Ron's virtual assistant work that I've done, and my little tiny web store that makes no money at all. Next is the accounting tab that you'll see. There's a calendar here on when the quarterly taxes are due to the IRS. It gives me an estimate of the self-employment tax for this year. Again, year-to-date income. It also has, that's the homepage of that. Then you have the revenue tab. You can insert your revenue. I like to break it down again into categories so I know where my money is coming from. I can put check numbers in, what the amount was that I received, the company it came from, if it was signing, the name of the signer, and the date of the deposit. Again, I love pie charts, so I have a pie chart there. And then we've got expenses. Same thing holds true for expenses. You do have your form, the pie chart, total paid to date, and then I have here a payment due dates. I have that when my payments are going to be coming up. I do like I have switched over to that calendar template to make it easier and get more information in it. This is when I first created my site. This is what I put in, but I've expanded my knowledge and doing more with it. All right. And then mileage. There is a mileage tracker, which is a form that gets attached to a Google Sheet and actually calculates your miles. You put in the name of the signing you went to, what day of the week that was, your starting mileage when you got in your car, ending mileage when you got out of your car. It will calculate your mileage and then it will show your business miles here. I do like my log because I keep track better using that log than I do with the tracker for some reason. It's just me. Um, Next, appointments. Oh no, we're going to go to admin. The administration tab has folders. When you click on them, it will bring you up to subfolders. These are all folders that you put in place that are in your Google Drive that are accessible from from your digital office. So bank statements, bookkeeping sheets, operating documents, your resume, username and passwords, that can all be stored in there. So your EIN number, you can have that either on your home page or on your admin page, DUNS number. I don't remember what those are, so it's nice to be able to reflect on that. Here is on the site is where the username and password assistant is, and you can put your information in. And when you open your Google site, you will have actual access to the spreadsheet. Appointments. There's a section for appointments, and my appointment calendar is here. You can see what appointments I've had, what time they are. Also, there's a map, interactive map. You can click on this map, put in the address where you're going to go to, and get directions. Signing appointments you can put in on this particular form, leads on another form. I do like the idea of combining your customer and your leads into one sheet. The same information generally is needed for both, and this way you can sort on the spreadsheet by clicking the top of the column and picking out and saying, signings or signers and leads, and having them separate out. So that's just a little shortcut that I like. The calendar assist, I showed you the calendar assistant already. This is built into the site. You can either buy these templates separately, or if you purchase the site, it's all included there. Okay, and that's it for the grand tour. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. There is a form on the website that you can either schedule a time for a phone call or a Google Meet, and we can meet up video chat. And there's also a place to order. I am doing for the first 2 months, I am asking people to place orders, not pay for them until the product is ready. And this way, you're not out any money and you know that you're going to pay, you'll be able to pay once your product is ready. Okay, great. Have a great day and thanks for visiting again.